This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Florida Realty property video is presented by Renata and Luis Menendez. This stunning pool home is surrounded by beautiful homes in a well-established area in Southwest Cape Coral. The spacious floor plan comes with 4 beds, 2 baths, formal dining and amp, living room areas, breakfast nook and so many more special features. As soon as you walk in through the front double doors, there is plenty of room in this great room concept floor plan with cathedral ceilings. The remodeled kitchen is a chef's delight, featuring quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, elegant white cabinets with glass and drawers with soft-closing.Tile and laminate wood floors. Laundry room with a washer, dryer and tub. Step outside into your own private oasis, complete with an inviting in-ground concrete pool with a salt filtration system, and a large pool deck area with pavers. You'll be delighted to find in your backyard an abundance of fruit trees, like mango, star fruit, bananas, golden apples, and Barbados cherries. Master bed has a mini split heat pump for personalized comfort. Bidet toilets and a whole house charcoal filtration system. 2018 roof. Accordion and amp, metal shutters. Paid assessments. Lots of nearby choices for shops and restaurants. Easy commute to Fort Myers. Call today. For more information, review the details below or contact Renata and Luis Menendez at 239-443-3204.